Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to use a vanilla Visa gift card on Steam. First, open your Steam app. Next, log into your account using your username and password. Click your profile name in the top right corner and select account details from the drop-down menu. Click Add Funds to your Steam wallet and choose the amount you want to add. When the payment options appear, select Visa as your method. Enter your vanilla Visa gift card details, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV code. Fill in your billing information. Make sure it matches the data linked to your gift card. Click Continue to confirm the transaction and add funds to your Steam wallet. And that is it. You have just used your vanilla Visa gift card on Steam. Enjoy your games and happy gaming. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next video.